Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender. And here I am after being hacked last week by my lovely wife. I hope you guys enjoy those cocktails. And hey, if you like what you see, if you like what you taste, and if you want to hear a little bit more about these amazing cocktails, please don't forget to subscribe, give us your thumbs up, and share the love. Probably right now for the holidays and for the season, you know that we are in our run for the Christmas Martini 2020, that amazing challenge that my friends Rob and my friend Bino decided to make. And well, here I am with two cocktails for season and the Christmas Martini. So please stick around with me and let me show you how we do it. All right, so this Christmas Martini, well, this is going to be two of them. And I got to tell you the little story behind it because it's just absolutely amazing. If I remember well, we were talking about April or May in 2012. If I remember well, right, Guetta? Yep. That's when D-Bar San Diego opened up its doors in the lovely neighborhood of Hillcrest. And I was under the direction of this amazing celebrity chef Keegan Gerhardt and his lovely wife Lisa Bailey. And this place specializes in desserts. I gotta tell you guys, this guy ruined my life. I mean, right now I'll give my left arm for molten chocolate cake, the peanut butter milkshake that chef does, which is out of this planet, and obviously a pizza salad sandwich. Anyway, that story being said, unfortunately, the bar had to shut doors years later. But right now, if you happen to be in Colorado, in Denver to be precise, you're going to be able to enjoy his delicious desserts. So I would like to say hi to my really good friend, Keegan Gerhardt and Lisa Bailey, along with this video, which was a really good inspiration for these two cocktails. So this one, at one point, it got voted the best martini in town. This is the Salted Caramel Martini, and I hope you guys like it. So how are we gonna make it? 4 ingredients, 2 of them super easy. You have a Smirnoff Kiss Caramel, and you have Vanilla Vodka. My favorite and my personal preference is Stoli Salted Caramel. Really hard to get nowadays because not too many people, they enjoy these kind of cocktails, but believe me, once I make one of these cocktails at D-Bar, it was like all over the place. It was just finishing the whole bottle throughout the night. So we're gonna start with an ounce and a half of each one of these guys. The 2 other ingredients, it cannot be more easy. Half and a half. You're gonna go for 3/4 of it. And simple syrup, 3/4 as well. If you don't like things too sweet, go for half of an ounce, but this is a dessert martini, so it's totally worth it. Let's put some ice. This is a proper technique. Gotta make fun of my wife. Hope you guys enjoyed her hacking my bar. But I was pretty pleased with all the stuff, so I would love to do this shake, but I don't know. How's that, Beth? For your garnish, well, you can make something super easy, you guys. You remember that caramel fudge that you have in the actual refrigerator? Just dip one side. Okay. And if you happen to have a little bit of a kosher salt, just add a little pinch. It doesn't matter if it lands inside of the actual cocktail. That's exactly what you're looking for. A little bit of saltiness in it. Let's just finally strain it and catch all those ice flakes. Man, I miss this guy. Beautiful and perfect as always. And here we go, you guys. As simple as this. That'll be your salted caramel martini. Now, like I said, my inspiration came from D-Bar in another one of my favorite desserts in that place. It happened to be the molten cake with strawberries and rhubarb. Absolutely amazing. I mean, it was so delicious that I remember that I was looking how to actually infuse my vodkas with strawberries and come up with something pretty similar to it. Unfortunately, I was not able to find the proper ingredient, but I came up with something really, really, really close to it. Creme de Cocoa, and the new, it's called Absolut Juice. This is the strawberry version. And obviously we're gonna be using Autumn's lovely little cranberries simple syrup. So let's give it a try. Let's start for same thing. 1.5 ounces of creme de cocoa. 1.5 ounces Absolut strawberry. 3/4 of cranberry syrup. And you can use cranberry or you can use rhubarb syrup. It is up to you, whatever your preference, but I think it's a little bit more proper for the Christmas to be the cranberries. And let's go for 3/4 of 1/2. So a little bit of ice. Give it a good shake. It's just delicious. Let's strain this bad boy. Same thing as catch all the flakes. And for your garnish, well, this is like super easy. You're gonna be grabbing one strawberry and you're gonna cut exactly the half and you're gonna actually leave the little steam on it. And then in one microwavable dish, put a little bit, like 2-3 pieces of Hershey's chocolate. Just put it for 1.5 minutes. It's gonna get pretty nice and soft. Dip your strawberry on it. And then with there. And the strawberry and chocolate martini. So, getting ready for Christmas. This is a way to start, you people. I hope you guys enjoy it. Merry Christmas to everybody. And cheers to all the bartenders and my really good friends, the chefs. Keegan, Lisa, happy holidays, everyone.